Hi Mujib, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm okay.
Where is your father?
He has gone to Karachi.
Why?
I don't know. I think he had some work.
Okay, tell me something about you. What are you doing nowadays?
I have completed my metric class and now I'm going to take admission in college.
In which college you will take admission?
I don't know. Can you please give me a suggestion about that?
Yeah, I studied in FDC Faisal College. I think it will be better for you.
Are you talking about Fazaya Degree College, which is in Karachi?
Yeah, if you want to go there, then admissions are open now.
There must be admission test, right?
Of course.
Tell me something about you. What are you doing?
I have completed my MBBS. Now I'm doing house job.
MashaAllah.
Where's your brother? Kamran.
He's in village.
What he is doing there?
It's vacation, so he's just enjoying and playing games.
Which class he had completed this year?
Sixth class.
That's good. From where you have completed metric class?
From NASA school.
It's in Kharpur?
Yeah,
It's government or private?
it's government.
What about its education?
For me, its education is not good.
Why?
No any teacher teaches there seriously. Few teachers, which are new appointed, are serious in studies.
Education is business nowadays. In government schools, teachers do not teach well. But in their centers, when you pay them fees, then they teach well.
Yeah, you are right.
When your father will come back from Karachi,
I don't know.
okay, I will call him.